Hey crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on today's video, and today we're talking about the information that will shock you because this is an important stuff that the 99% that the Bitcoin spot ETF is about to be approved, and we're going to talk a lot about this one on today's video. So let's start. What do we have here today? First of all, the Coinbase report finds a large portion of NFT activity has shifted to Bitcoin ordinals, as Ethereum was just a testnet. New publicly traded Bitcoin mining company Cypher Mining acquires 37,396 units of a Bitmain's on miners T21 ASICs valued at the $99.5 million, 100 millions into Bitcoin mining, and that's already just the start. The mining company is getting bigger and the Bitcoin prepares for something massive. If Bitcoin miners are preparing for something massive, that for sure will be the same for the Bitcoin price. Just in, The Economist says that Bitcoin can be a useful diversifier for your investment portfolio, and I'm not kidding about that, as an asset that swings up and down and not in parallel with other things people might have in portfolio can be a useful diversifier. As this guy bought $1,000 Bitcoin this morning and is $17 million worth in 2 days, as if we could see on a screenshot that he bought it at 42,960, as $17 million went in. He already could have made a profit of $645,000 if he sold right at the top positions that we had today as $42,300. So it is already massive that these people can make such huge profits just in a short period of time for a huge investment. But all I'm saying, he's not trading, he's actually buying to get Bitcoin as a store of value. He's storing his own money in it. And also the second alert we have here, as this guy accumulated over 1 billion Bitcoin in the last 30 days, buys $97.8 million in each address and starts buying Bitcoin in new addresses again up to $97.8 million. And we could see the amounts of Bitcoins he buying, and also he stores his money in a Bitcoin, that we can understand. And if we just combine every single wallet, it's already of him holding 0.1% of all the holdings of a Bitcoin, which sounds like not a lot, but trust me, it is a lot. It's only $1 billion, it's only $1 billion you would say, but I would say it's one out of all 800 billions of dollars in a Bitcoin right now, and this is the store of value. There's some rich guy there holding that huge amount of money. So there we could see that it was different times when he bought, so he completely continues on putting his money into a safe safe account, I would say, a safe wallet. So massive Bitcoin bull flag also in the making. What can we expect? The massive breakout or a massive downfall? Let's see in the coming days. Past breakup December 20, 2021 and December 19, 2023, we see the same chart, and we might see the same trend happen again, as we are going above the $80,000 if it actually happens. So next, if Bitcoin hits $43,800, 700 million in short positions will be liquidated, and this is the massive move, as we can see right here on the screenshot. It is at the lower phase, and it's probably going to go down massively, and people will be taking profits because we could see a lot of long positions that we can be liquidated. It is really at a 40,500, a lot of long positions that can be liquidated, and first of all they will liquidate this short positions, and then they'll go for the long position liquidations, because that's how whales actually work. Next we go, the SEC will approve the multiple Bitcoin ETFs at once, says one IG CEO, and it just makes complete sense. There are over $3 billion worth of Bitcoin short liquidations above us, ready to get liquidated. And the next we go is the Michael Saylor on a Bitcoin today. 11 years ago, Bitcoin days are numbered. It seems like just a matter of time before it suffers the same fate as online gambling. And we could see that it didn't play out well. So all I'm saying, just Bitcoin is the future. Next, and odds of spot Bitcoin ETF approval at the 98.7%, as XRP attorney John Deaton agrees. John A. Deaton, an attorney representing 75,000 XRP holders, reacted to valued investor and advisor Mike Alford anticipating 98.7% odds of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Other experts are also expecting a higher odds of spot Bitcoin ETF approval, as BlackRock, ARK 21 Shares, and WisdomTree amend Forms S1 to include a cash redemptions model. XRP attorney John Deaton and a spot Bitcoin ETF approval odds. Pro-XRP lawyer John E. Deaton reacted to Mike Alfred's post on X, saying agreed. Deaton also believes in a higher odds of spot Bitcoin ETF approval due to the constructive talks between the SEC and the Bitcoin ETF issuers and recent amendments to spot Bitcoin ETF filings. Mike Alford said spot Bitcoin ETF has a 98.7% chance of approval before January 10th. However, there seemed to be no excitement on Wall Street, as January call options for the many Bitcoin miners are undervalued. In Bloomberg, analysts have capped the odds of spot Bitcoin ETF approval at 90% for over 2 months, as a January 10 deadline for the SEC's decision on the spot Bitcoin ETF looms. Experts pointed out higher odds chances of spot Bitcoin ETF, and the level of SEC engagement and backforce changes on the ETF tells us this as the 99% done deal, says trader and investor Bob Lucas. Next is we got here, as the crypto market continues to rise as 2024 approaches. Bitcoin is showing a 160% increase since the beginning of the 2023, surpassing the very important 43,000 level. However, it may not be too late to benefit from the rally, considering the upcoming block reward halving event in April 2024 and the potential approval of a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF that could follow the rise. Also, we got more information, as the Bitcoin price likely to test a $47,000 to $50,000 for the key reason, top analysts said. Cryptocurrency trader and analyst from Amsterdam, Michael van de Poppe, has taken to X Twitter, a social media platform, to share a Bitcoin price prediction following the one he made recently. Poppe has named the key reasons why he expects the flagship cryptocurrency to test new highs soon. Bitcoin correction seems over, as Poppe tweeted that, as he predicted, Bitcoin has indeed tested the lower levels and did not pick the liquidity beneath lows. Still, the analyst reckons that the correction is over by now, and the leading cryptocurrency is ready to test $47,000 to $50,000 now. The major reason for the expected price surge, Michael van de Poppe believes to be much expected approval of a Bitcoin spot ETFs, BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK Investment, and ETFs filed for by other Wall Street financial companies. And many experts, including top Bloomberg analysts, expect the SEC regulator to approve Bitcoin ETFs in early January. So, on the December 18th, the analyst tweeted that it would be reasonable to expect Bitcoin to sweep lows before it grinds back up. Also, MicroStrategy business intelligence giant Michael Saylor recently stated in an interview when answering a question about the MicroStrategy Bitcoin strategies that he expects Bitcoin to go forward in the year 2024. And Saylor attributes the recent Bitcoin rally to the fact that all the global spheres of life are going through a digital transformation, and Bitcoin helps to transform capital, as this is what Saylor believes is driving the trends. He recalled his earlier statement where he said that if Bitcoin is not going to zero, it is going to $1 million. So that's all the information we got on a Bitcoin for today. If you got more information, just write down in the comments, but I'm gonna update you with more stuff pretty much soon. See you in the next one, and peace.